Hello students, this is very important questions for you for the science examination. First question is, what type of reaction is represented by following equation? This is a combination reaction because here magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Next question is, which of the following is an example of double displacement reaction? So your answer is option A. Sodium displaces silver. What is the pH value of pure water? Pure water is neutral, so its pH value is 7. Which of the following is a strong acid? Hydrochloric acid. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. What is the nature of oxides of non-metal oxides? Nature of the non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, and nature of oxides of metals are basic in nature. So remember it. General formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. Here general formula of alkane. You should also remember general formula of alkene, which is CnH2n, and alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Functional group present in aldehyde is CHO, option C. Which part of plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Option C, leaf. In human digestion, which enzyme breaks down starch? Option C, amylase. Breaks down starch. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Option B, insulin. What is the functional unit of the nervous system? Option B, neuron. What is the mode of reproduction in bacteria? Option B, binary fission. Which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction? Option C, budding in yeast. Question number 5. The scientist who proposed the laws of inheritance. Option C, Mendel. What is the unit of inheritance? Option B, gene. The focal length of convex lens is option A, always positive. And when the question arises concave lens, then it will be negative. Here option A, which is for convex lens. The mirror used in car side mirror is option C, convex mirror. What are the causes of dispersion of light? Option B, refraction. Question number 20. The part of human eye that controls the amount of light entering is option C, iris. Controls the amount of light entering the eye. Next question 21. Which type of reaction occurs when iron reacts with oxygen to form rust? Option A, combination reaction. Which of the following is an example of displacement reaction? Option A, zinc when react with copper sulfate, it forms zinc sulfate and copper. The process of breaking down a compound into simpler substances using heat is called option C, decomposition reaction. What is the pH of neutral solution? Option C, option B, 7. Which gas is released when an acid reacts with metal? Option C, hydrogen. Which of the following acids is present in vinegar? Option B, acetic acid. Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Option C, graphite. Which metal? The metal that does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid is option B, copper. Which process is used for the prevention of rusting? Option A, galvanization. What is the molecular formula of methane CH4? The functional group present in alcohols is option A, OH. The process of converting vegetable oils into solid fat is called option A, hydrogenation. Which organelle is known as powerhouse of cell? Option B, mitochondria. The site of photosynthesis in plant cell is option B, chloroplast. What is the main excretory product in humans? Option B, urea. The hormone responsible for growth in plant is option A, B, auxin. Which part of the brain controls voluntary actions? Option C, cerebrum. Reflex actions are controlled by option B, spinal cord. The mode of reproduction in amoeba is option B, binary fission. Which hormone controls the menstrual cycle in females? Option B, estrogen. Who is known as father of genetics? Very important question. Gregor Mendel. Which of the following is an example of dominant trait in humans? Option C, curly hair. Which mirror used in headlights of vehicles? Option A, concave mirror. Which lens is used to correct myopia? Option B, concave lens. Which lens is used to correct myopia? Option B, concave lens. Myopia is an eye defect in which a patient only see nearby object and cannot able to see distant object, यानी दूर की वस्तु को वो नहीं देख पाता है और नज़दीक की वस्तु को क्लियरली देख पाता है। इस कंडीशन को, इस डिफेक्ट को मायोपिया कहते हैं, जिसे हम कॉन्केव लेंस से सही किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट P situated midway between two parallel wires placed each carrying a steady current is? Option C, 0, because it is not cutting the magnetic line, so the current will also 0. Consider the following statements. The sex of child is determined by what it inherits from the mother. The sex option correct. Second statement is the sex of the child is determined by what it inherits from the father. The probability of having a male child is more than that the female child. The sex of the child is determined at the time of fertilization when male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. Here the option B is correct because option 2, the sex of child is determined by what inheritance from the father, यानी फादर से जो भी टायर जाएगा उससे डिटरमाइन किया जाता है कि बच्चा क्या होगा, मेल या फीमेल। एंड ऑप्शन द सेक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द टाइम ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन। फर्टिलाइजेशन जिस समय जायगोट बनता है उसी समय ये डिटरमाइन हो जाता है कि बच्चा बॉय होगा या गर्ल होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 47, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गन इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम? ऑप्शन सी, वास डिफेंस। The unit of refractive index is option A, no unit. In which of the following organelles multiple fissions is a means of asexual reproduction? Plasmodium. Next question 50, in bifocal lens used for the correction of presbyopia? Option D, the upper portion is of the concave lens for the distant vision and the lower portion of the convex lens for near vision. Identify the food chain in which the organism of the second trophic levels are missing. Option E, tiger, grass, snake, frog. That's all. So revise this question properly. This will help you in your examination. Thank you for watching.